Did you know you can record crystal clear motorcycle comms straight to your Insta360 X5? When you pair your Sena 60S with your Insta360 X5, it doesn't just record your audio, it also records the audio of any riders in your Mesh intercom group.
We are recording on Mesh 3.0 where we are both communicating and we actually can record the conversation.
Like right now, I'm right here on the side of Gabe in the back. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I'm talking to him. And we're on the Mesh 3.0, and I can hear him clear. You can hear me clear, right, Gabe?
I can hear you perfectly clear.
Today, I'm using the Sena 60S, but this feature works with any Sena device that has the phone pairing feature. Pairing is super simple, so let's get into it. We're gonna start by making sure that both of our devices are powered on, and then we're gonna start with the 60S. So we're gonna hold down the phone button that's located on the back of the unit for about 5 seconds, or until we hear phone pairing.
Phone pairing.
You'll also notice that the lights turn blue and red, and that means that the device is in phone pairing mode. So now we can go to the Insta360, swipe down on the screen, and then left 2 times till we see Bluetooth. We'll tap on the Bluetooth headset microphone, and now it's searching for our phone pairing unit. Now that we see the 60S, we can tap on it, and it's connected just like that. You can actually see the audio level meter right here moving, which means that we've successfully paired and the audio is going straight to the X5. We can also use voice commands to start recording and stop recording. It's one of my favorite features because it means you can motovlog hands-free and on the go. If you're creating motorcycle content, the Sena 60S and the Insta360 X5 are definitely for you. Clean comms and clear video all in one setup. If you want to see more of the Sena 60S paired with the Insta360 X5, we used it extensively in our IPX7 waterproof commercial. Go check it out. And if you're interested in any of the products we listed, they are down in the bio. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Connected.